People, this is Mosha. We have come out of the Mosha Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, right? But we cook the real food, the real Jamaican, authentic Jamaican food. Anything more authentic than this is a fraud. So watch the ride now. I got a brother from, where you from, my brother?
I'm from India.
He's from India. I make him some curry chicken. And he said what? What did you say?
This is outstanding. This is possibly one of the most flavorful curries I've ever tasted.
Yeah, hey guys, you know how much that means to me?
Oh, it's outstanding for my stomach.
Yo, that means that we can go India go cook curry chicken.
Oh yeah. Oh, any day.
And curry goat or anything.
Anything.
That means so you like this then, brother?
Oh yeah.
Respect. But you've been
I've been looking for your place for the last 2-3 days.
Yes?
Yeah.
I know you find me.
Oh,
He's been looking for me for the last 2-3 days because I moved from the beach and I come up to the main strip and I made him some curry chicken. And he says, what again? Tell him again.
Outstanding. Thank you.
Outstanding, thank you. So guys, I don't know if everybody want them face on camera, so I'm not going to put. You good? You want? Okay. So then I got some other brothers. This brother is from Jamaica. What you have? Him have the axe here. Oh, the axe here, brother. Man, and Jamaican, them Jamaican people are no ramp, you know. So if the food no good, them not gonna tell you.
Exactly, they'll tell us it's no good.
Yeah, because Jamaican people no flanker and pet and powder.
No.
You see me? So we no.
That man too, and them said the food good, the chicken. The chicken was good, excellent.
Thank you guys. So, and they have to, the chicken was ready on time, but you know, before they had to wait a long time, now it's not so long. The cabbage wasn't ready, but now they're good to go. How the cabbage?
Cabbage good.
All right.
Yeah, so, crunchy. That's what we love.
So blessed love, my brother. Crunchy, no?
Yeah, crunchy.
Blessed love. Thank you for your support. Boom shot. Remember what I say, people. If you can't say something good, say nothing. Don't talk bad about people, okay?
Sure.
Don't say nothing bad about nobody because that bad might come right back to you. Blessed love. Boom shakata.